In this video, we'll see how to enable abandoned cart recovery in WooCommerce. That means if someone go to website, add to cart to product and go to checkout. And in checkout, if you fill all the detail but didn't pay or place order. So what here currently I go to my checkout page and fill all the detail. But I didn't place any order. So I want to send that customer phone notification after some time that you didn't place order, give discount, anything like that. How to do that? Okay, so let's go how we can do. For that, we'll install the plugin and set up in WooCommerce. For that, we need to install WooCommerce Cart Abandon Recovery plugin. The important part is how we can set up it. Okay. Activate. Now plugin is added. Here you can see in WooCommerce you can see cart abandoned setting. Report, the first what we'll do, we'll go on setting. So cart abandoned. What we'll do, we will go on follow up email. First we will setting. Start capturing abandoned cart. Considered abandoned if order is not doesn't place in 20 meter. You can change as per your requirement. It's on upon you. Disabling tracking for administrator. This feature if you want disable for some specific user you can disable. Exclude email sending. You can set as per requirement when to do not to send email, like if pending payment, on hold or failed, then only send email. If it is processing and completed, do not send email. Here and from there will be WordPress, like you can create your name, from address, reply to address, recovery report, email. This you can save. Okay, now just save it. Now we have set up it. Now what will be the email that will be sent? Like 3 email will be sent after 30 minutes, 1 day and 3 days. We will activate it and see the template. We'll edit it also. Here you can see, hi customer, we have trouble processing your refund funds. Would you mind completing it? Complete your purchase. You can set as per requirement. You can style using HTML, like here I will show you how. Like I have added a head tag between. Now here you can head tags. You can style as per requirement, add image, anything, and you can add these tags to get the value like customer first name, VJL. Okay. You can give discount like get 10% discount or anything like that. You can set as per set. You can change the template name, change the subject as per your requirement. It will be triggered after 30 minutes. Okay. Now you can see all the follow-up, like what will be sent after 1 day, then what will be sent after 3 days. Here you can see. This will be sent after 1 day. Then third will be this will be sent after 3 days. Okay. And this will also here you can see few back day you left the card away to help will go out to Google to cart you. Complete your purchase. Okay. This will be sent. Update. Here you can enable if you want to allow him to create coupon. What will be the discount, like what type of discount he will want to give, like in third time. You want to give him 10% discount if you haven't purchased it, just purchase it and get 10% discount. Coupon expiry day restrict to here you can see. Here you can see that's how you can recover your abandoned cart. You can give coupon here on third notification if you want to give coupon on any notification. I will send a test mail here, you can see, and I can check. Okay, you can check what type of mail you are sending and how it will look. You can also set coupon as per your requirement, and this is the, if you need to send more, you can send here. You will get the all the record, and if status any report here you can get. Here you will get like how many order has been recovered from mail or what happened. So you can get. These are the follow-up appointments. If you want to add more, you can set as per requirement. This how you can recover your abandoned checkout orders in WooCommerce. That's all. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel.